Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. I have shown some non-veg dishes for parties and this one is one of the most loved in my family. Juicy tender chicken legs cooked to perfection in an amazing new way. Let me show you. Come on. I have skinned and washed the chicken legs and we will marinate them with some awesome spice combination. These are everyday spices but uniquely combined to give an extraordinary flavor to the chicken legs. You will be amazed how these spices come together to give a lip-smacking end result. Adjust the spiciness as per your taste, but a bit of spice will give a nice kick to the dish. We will mix and add more flavors as we go, and it's very important. A dollop of tomato paste will boost the flavor even more. Don't skip it. Kasuri methi to add its own unique touch to the dish. Mix again and allow to marinate at least 30 minutes. Let's go ahead with the preparation. These are dried pomegranate seeds and they also have an important role to play in the taste and texture of the dish. Saute for a few seconds. Adding cashews for a nice crunch. Saute for 10 seconds. Now we will add more flavor enhancing ingredients and keep mixing. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Adding the marinated chicken legs to the pan. We will saute the chicken to bring out its juices. They have to change color slightly. Mix and turn them until opaque. I did not add onions earlier as I needed to first bring out the chicken juices out. Saute until the onion is translucent. A good quality thick coconut milk will do the magic. We will mix this until fully incorporated. Looks so rich and creamy already. Cover and cook on medium-high flame. I have used a thick bottom pan so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. The chicken and onions have released so much moisture already. We will not be adding any water to the chicken as this is a dry dish. Just turn the pieces over and we will cover them again to cook them further until they are almost cooked through. Click the subscribe button to be amazed with such unique recipes posted every week. We will turn them again and allow to cook uncovered until soft. It takes about 25 to 30 minutes depending on the thickness of the legs. Garnish and we are ready to serve these juicy tender chicken sukha. What an amazing dish, right? The moisture will be absorbed eventually to a thick gravy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.